Hello ทุนี้อีหวนเดียวเล่ไก่กุ้ง prawns from what มาตาดำ so fresh prawn from market. Okay, first of all let's deep fry the prawns. Wow, smells good. Okay, now it's done. Let's take it out. Sắc mel cho mel hỏi thôi ăn sẵn thịt thật lắm. This is under the sun. It looks pinkish or yellowish or orangish. Now we are going to cook it again with tomato, ginger, garlic, onion. I just like onion and then ginger, garlic, and then pink chili, hamacha, turmeric powder, salt, and chili powder, and tomato. After that we are going to add water. After boiling, I just add the shrimp or the prawns, and we are going to cook until I don't know. Okay, now let's add some bok choy or bak choy, I don't know, whatever it is. Now it's all ready to eat. Hey guys, Happy New Year. It's been 1 year I didn't show up. Anyway, here I am back with another mukbang, the first mukbang for this year. Today we are going to have toilet paper. Sorry, we are not going to have this one. Anyway, we are going to have a big prawn. Very big, and not that much, with a medium big, and a tomato. Here we have bok choy or something like that, and a rice, and my water. And here we got yesterday leftover chicken with potato and bamboo shoot. Okay, before having, let's pray. Amen. Let's start digging. Hipat di may. Maja, aku ya. Bon appetit. Okay. Let's dig in. Kapoy le lola. After 1 year, I'm not eating food like this. Yummy. I'm not gonna spare the head too because it's so expensive here. KG or 1,000 each. 1 kg में 1,000 दिया ना yeah. Why the inside is very small? The cover is very big. Oh no, tanke. Here, the suck meal. This is so good.
Today, especially the head, it's more yummy. Chịu chứ. Yeah, what the thịt đấy nè. Điện thôi à. Điện tận chưa? Không có. Alu sa tu dulu. This is my first time having a big prawn. Medium size prawn hijau. Tang tang. Smells. Potato. Mukbang bolong na sot na ha. Kecil macam yang absorb. Lu sai tùy tao lôi mày. Nhiệt cái chỗ biểu rồi thì nó cái trộn thật về luôn đấy. Salt mà nó mới ăn mặn tâm lòng đúng không? It's expensive but it's really good. I love it. Không phải đồ ăn như chỗ Hà bỏ đâu ngay. Stay like this, okay? Ngon nè. I see heaven.